Hello dear students, this numerical which is depend upon limiting reagent topic. This is from chapter 1. First of all, you have to know about what is a limiting reagent. The reactant which gives least amount of product on being completely consumed is known as a limiting reagent. मतलब ऐसा वाला reagent कि जो completely consume हो जाएगा due to its reaction. Completely consume हो जाएगा which is in least amount. It is called a limiting reagent. So, numerical dinitrogen and dihydrogen react with each other to produce NH3 according to the following chemical reaction. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 mole ammonia. This three question. First question, calculate the mass of NH3 produced if 2.00 into 10 power 3 gram N2 react with 1.00 into 10 power 3 gram of H2. So we have to write first this reaction. N2 react with 3 mole of H2 and gives 2 mole of ammonia. In this case, we have to remember this all atomic number. See, nitrogen have a 14 atomic number, hydrogen 1 atomic number, and ammonia. Ammonia we have to find, and H3. So, nitrogen 14 plus how many hydrogen? 3. 14 plus 3 is a, we have to 2 mole of ammonia. 34 gram, right? So, N2 means for 1 nitrogen 14 gram. So, for 2 nitrogen it is 28 gram. 28 gram N2. 3 2s are 6. 6 into 1. So, 6 gram H2. And 2 into NH3. 2 mole of ammonia. So, it is a 34 gram of ammonia, right? But in this case, 2 into 10 power 3 gram N2. So, we can write like this, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3 gram, okay? 1 into 10 power 3 gram H2 means 1, 0, 0, 0, 3 gram of H2. Okay? So, first question is, calculate the mass of ammonia. So, we have to calculate a ammonia mass. See, in this case, 28 gram of, we can write like this, 28 gram of N2 will react with H2. How many H2? 6 gram. But we have 2000 gram. So, therefore, 2000 gram of N2 will react. How many H2? So, cross multiply 2000 into 6 gram, 2000 into 6 gram divide by 28 gram, and we will get a 428.6 gram of NH3, right? Sorry, not NH3, only H2. But here we have to 1000 gram. See, here 428.6 gram of H2. But in numerical, we have 1000 gram of H2. So, H2 is in excess amount. हमें यहाँ पे मिला है 428.6 ग्राम, बट दिया कितना है 1000 ग्राम. So, H2 is in excess amount. So, which is a limiting reagent? N2 is a limiting reagent. So, we have to write like this, 428.6 gram of H2, but we have excess H2, it is 1000 gram. So, which is a limiting reagent? So N2 is limiting reagent. Did you understand this? Okay. Now, second is calculate NH3 मास. सी स्टूडेंट, इतना याद रखो, जब भी एमोनिया का मास फाइंड करना है तो जो लिस्ट रिएजेंट है, जो लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट है, उसी के कंपेयर में करना है. सो किसका रिलेशन लेंगे? N2 इज अ लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. सो 28 ग्राम N2 प्रोड्यूस 34 ग्राम एंड एमोनिया. सो 2000 ग्राम ऑफ N2, how many produce ammonia, right? 28 gram N2 produce ammonia is 34 gram. Therefore, we have 2000 gram. 2000 gram N2 produce how many ammonia? 2000 gram into 34 gram divide by 28 gram, and we will get 2428.57 gram ammonia, right? Now, answer 2. Will any of the two reactants remain unreacted? Yes, H2 will unreacted because it is in excess amount. Answer 3. If yes, which one and what would be its mass? तो ये बताइए कि कितना अनरिएक्टेड रहा है. मास लेफ्ट unreacted equal to how many amount of H2? It is a 1000 gram. Okay, and कितना यूज हुआ है? 428.6 gram. We will get 571.4 gram H2 will unreacted. Right? Clear? Now take a screenshot. You have any doubt, students? Please, आप जो है वो कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे पूछ सकते हो.